Hello you guys, this is Divya. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is high fashion makeup, and high fashion makeup is to the extreme. It's a wonderful art of makeup. You can play with colors, you can use different techniques. So I'm really not wasting the time and let's get started. For eye base, I will use maybe concealer. For eyeshadow, I will use two palettes. That is Huda Coral Obsession. Second one is Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave. So first we'll set the crease. Take a lighter eyeshadow and just I will use Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. You gotta blend this color with the crease. Now I will use eyeliner. I have created a wing liner, as you can see. We'll do the same on the other side. Now for high fashion, what we're going to do is take some glitter and apply it here. Applying glitter, we need a glitter glue as well. So I'm using packed glitter glue. Side is done and we will do the same on the other side. I'm gonna curl the lashes now. I'll just quickly apply mascara and I'll use Color Bar mascara. To lip line my lips, I'll use Color Bar lip liner. I use this lip crayon, Color Bar Matte Me As I Am. I'll apply blush. I will use Maybelline blush. This is super cute color. I'll use highlighter, and for highlighting I'll use this shade. I'll also use pack highlighter. Makeup is done. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the makeup, and if you really did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned.